Hello everyone, I'm Alberto Espíritu Alves. I'm a study at UNAD University. I'm currently taking the second semester of Bachelor of English as a Foreign Language. Well, this video is for the course Teaching English to Adolescents and Adults. And the purpose of this video is to show you a brief resume about the material lesson planning. Okay, here we go. Okay, the first part that I want to share with you is the bullying lesson planning, and I'll start by telling you about the warm-up activity, which consists of showing the students some pictures from which they have to talk about by describing them what they see on each one, and also to encourage them to talk about bullying. All right. Then after, it is important to show them the goals of the lessons, that they are mainly three, and also they are related basically with the listening skills. Alright, then as a first learning goal, we have here to use a range of strategies to get the purpose and type of thought by the action of prior knowledge, support in body language and gestures, use of images to understand what they're learning here. Also, we are here to show a respectful and tolerant attitude when listening others. And finally, to identify the main idea of a neural test when having previous knowledge about the subject. Okay, then after activating the prior knowledge about bullying and presenting the topic, I have to show them or tell them that they are going to be part of a listening activity. And the main purpose of this is to listen to find specific information. Also, we have to tell them that how long will last the video, who are going to take part of the listening part, a man and a woman, and the difficulty of it. Those things are very important for them to get into the activity, and we have to tell them that they are going to listen this listening activity twice in order to make them aware of the vocabulary and things that they're going to be asked. Okay, then after, it is important to make the production part and the assessment. For the production part, the students are going to work as a group. They are going to set up a debate or a team networking with the topic bullying. There will be some questions that they are going to be asked about if they agree or disagree with the way bullying is produced and why it is done, and if they have been going through this, or if they are being the bullies. All right. And finally, as an assessment, the students have to consult at home, of if there is internet in the school, they are going to solve this battery of questions and socialize them before the whole class. Okay. My second lesson planning is related with vacations. So I name it My Dreams Vacation. The first part of this is to talk about the students, what have been my best vacation, and also to tell them about my worst vacation, where I go, how long I stay there, who I went with, and the things that the main thing that I did on the vacation. Then after is just to show this picture for them to get into the topic, right? But it's very important too, if the students are not able to communicate fluently, it will be a very good idea to remind them about the vocabulary related with vacation and things that they have to take with and be aware of when traveling. Then after, I will share with them the learning goals. This lesson plan is basically aiming the writing skills. So the learning goal will be to describe orally visions, dreams, and hopes using the clear language and simple. Also to structure a test by taking into account formal elements of language such as punctuation, spelling, syntacx, currents, and cohesions. And finally to write a test through which students will explain their preferences, decisions, and actions. Right? Very good. Well, then after that, I will encourage the students into the practice. Will is going to be a survey. They are going to interview a partner. So there will be some question about the places they would like to go on vacation, if they want to go to a mountain, to an open space, or to a very big city, a very big noisy city. Anyway, there will be questions related to the kind of different places that they would like to go. And this part I consider that is very important too, because at this stage we can make the cross-curricular of English versus mathematics, basically working with statistics. Right, it could be a very good cross-curricular part or issue. Right. Then after, it is important to show them and to talk about the production and assessment. For the production, they are going to interview a friend, a partner, and after the interview, they have to socialize their results before the class and select a kind of vacation from a given list that I will provide to my students. And finally, the assessment. As I said at the beginning, this is going to this lesson planning is aiming the writing skill. They have to write an essay, right? And here is the purpose of the essays, or the question or the statement that they have to think about to write their essay. And it says that some people prefer to take vacations in quiet, natural places, while others prefer to spend vacations time in big cities. Discuss the advantages of each type of vacation that indicate which you prefer and why. Okay guys, I hope that this video will fulfill with all the requirements read in the guide and the rubric evaluation. Thank you very much and have a good time.